Hello guys, today I'm back to show you how to make an origami transforming Starscream. So basically, this can transform. This is what it looks like. And this Starscream is from the Transformers 3 movie. And then I can open this and fold this up. And now there's Starscream, and here is the comparison with the movie Starscream. You can see that there's quite a difference because, well, one's paper and one's not, and you can't put as much details as you can on with paper. And then I'm going to show you how to fold it. So first, you can grab a piece of A4 paper, or you can use just a normal piece of square origami paper. Now you're good like this. You're gonna cut this square. Okay, let me do that real quick. So what you're gonna do is fold this here, turn it over, take this, and fold it up. You're gonna crease this super sharp. Then you're gonna tear this. So right here, I'm gonna do that, and then there, you can leave this aside. I'm going to try to make one of these weapons. It's his gun. You could, go on right here. Okay. Then turn it over, and you're going to make a square base. So, I'm folding it in half. And same here. And then once you have these folds, you're going to take this and push it together. And there is your square base. Now you're gonna make a bird base, which is basically petal folding these. And like that. Then like this. And like this. Okay, now that you have that on all the sides, you're going to unfold them, and you're going to open this part up. And take this and make a water bomb base. And not water bomb, oh gosh. So you make the bird base. You can fold it up for extra reference in the future when we're going to be making this part. Turn it over, and then do the exact same. And then fold this. There. So now what you're going to do is fold this up. And then here is where you make the head, and you're going to fold this down. Right here. You're going to take this and fold it. I prefer to have a big head. Well, it doesn't really matter. Well, it kind of does matter, because if you make the head too big, it won't be able to transform. So you can have the head right here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to make your arms. So you're gonna fold this to the side, and then you're gonna fold this up, and then you're kind of gonna make it so, well, fold it back, and then reverse fold this. Like that. And then now, what you can do is you can take this and kind of make this little point right here. You have that. Then you're gonna do the same right here. And you can take this and the side, fold it up, and do the same right here. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do is take some scissors and you're gonna cut along this line. But what you're gonna do is stop right here at the very end, cut on that line. So it should be like this. There. That's all the cutting you need to do. And then what you're gonna do now is take this, turn it over, and fold this up, and do the same right here. And then, so you're gonna take this, and then, oh, sorry. And then you're gonna fold this down, fold it up, and then fold it down. So look like that. And now what you can do is have like this open up. This is how to transform it. I'm gonna open this part up. And then you're gonna open this part up here. Then you're gonna fold this up and this up here. And then you're gonna fold this part up here. And then fold it down so there's a little bit left. And you're gonna want it to have it be like hanging out. And do the same over here. Fold this up. Fold it down. And then make sure you have space there. You can fold this out right here. And then for this, fold this down here and fold this down here. Then you can turn it over, and there is your finished Starscream. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye.